Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites and then act. Install SQL Server Express or Developer with Database Engine and SSMS. Once installed, open SSMS and choose Windows or SQL Authentication. Enter SA only if mixed mode was enabled. Create a simple database now. Right-click Databases, select New Database, name it. You do this early to avoid permission roadblocks. Make sure services are running in services. MSC, if not. Start SQL Server, MS SQL Server, so connections succeed. Once the database exists, focus on defining schema and data flow. You can use Table Designer for visual design or write TSQL. Create table with keys and indexes, choose types for performance. Insert data with insert statements, and when updating multiple rows, wrap operations and begin transaction. Commit to avoid partial changes. Make regular backups. Right-click the DB tasks backup to A, back file, and set a maintenance plan. Also run dbcc checkdb, occasionally, to catch corruption early. You finish by securing, monitoring, and validating the server. Grant users only required roles and test connections from client apps. Once done, set up monitoring. Use Activity Monitor, SQL Server logs, and Windows performance counters to watch waits and CPU. Schedule backups and verify restore procedures immediately. Restore to a test DB to confirm. If something fails, first check SQL Server service status, TCP/IP, enabled in SQL Configuration Manager, and firewall rules.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.